IMO has been around since 1998. We're a metallurgical consulting group with two departments, operations and consulting. I've worked in operations for 15 years. You know, they say variety is the spice of life. I definitely get it in this job. It's quite unique. Clients come to IMO when they're looking for metallurgical support on their projects, and that can be anything from doing an audit to a plant survey, technical support, commissioning, and also longer-term project management on site. We have an extensive network of process engineers, metallurgists, techs that can work on the process plant generally, so we can cover every need for the process plant. We place metallurgists both in Australia and internationally with clients. So metallurgists approach us when they're looking for work. We put them on our database, if they're not already on the database, and we place them as clients require. So we match their skills with what the client's looking for. Very close to my heart, being in operations, is candidate care. We don't just place a candidate, we actually support them while they're on site. We maintain that contact and keep in touch. So, and if they've got any issues whatsoever, they're made well aware that they have the full support of the consulting Mets here at IMO, which is quite a point of difference. And they can ring anytime, day or night. Giving people opportunities gives me great satisfaction when I can see them placed in a job, they're happy and they tell me so. I can't ask for more than that. And vice versa with clients, when they tell me the contractor they've got is doing a great job, they extend the contract, that's fantastic.